Now today we're going to do an ear insufflation,
Oh, wow.
okay? And let's just get this all started. It goes through the water because the
Okay.
water is very good. The moisture helps your body absorb
Oh,
the
yeah,
gas.
yeah, okay, yeah, I heard that
Okay.
before, it's good.
And the ozone will be going through your ears, your nasal cavities, the sinuses. It's very good for eyes.
Yeah.
And it actually has been known to help with cataracts.
That's true, yeah, I
Yeah.
heard that before, yeah. With cataracts, because I guess you get more oxygen around the eye
Exactly.
area, right?
Exactly.
It goes,
And it is an antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal.
I think even if you're like a pink eye, that would help too.
I'm sure it would,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Okay. Yeah, I feel it. I feel a slight, like a little bit of a noise. I feel the gas going in.
Yeah, well, the noise is the bubbling through the water,
Oh, okay.
and so that's where some of that comes from. Water carries sound.
Uh-huh. Okay, good.
All right,
That's
so just sit back
interesting.
and relax.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, you'll
So
enjoy
how
it.
long do I do that?
We're going to do it, you've had ear insufflations before, so we're going to do it
Yeah.
for 5 minutes.
Okay, good.
All right.
Yeah.
Normally, with the first time, we do about 3 minutes, and then we gradually build up length
Yeah.
of time, so your
Yeah.
body gets used to it.
Yeah, that's true. And then I heard when it's like really sensitive, you can even have like 1 minute or whatever.
Of course,
For
of
starters,
course,
right?
yeah.
But do I have to watch for anything?
No, just sit
Okay.
back and relax.
All right.
All right,
This is
enjoy the
important.
sensation.
Mm. I smell a little bit of ozone. That doesn't matter, right?
No, absolutely not. You certainly don't want to deep breathe it,
Right.
but the smell of ozone is actually cleansing the environment around you.
That's right. And I guess it's, anyway, it's a bit of an air disinfectant,
That's correct.
right?
That's correct. Take kills anything that's in the air.
Mm. Okay, good.
All right.
Okay.
So just
for a few
relax.
more
You've got
minutes.
another 2 minutes.